You might be wondering how I got into this situation. Well, my heater wasn't working and this is why. The heater core is blocked. Had to unblock the heater pipes that connect directly to the core. I then moved over to unblocking the core itself.